Yo, it's windy in the mug out here. I was trying to record off my camera, but it was acting funny again. Guess it got exhausted. But now I'm looking at my camera on my phone though. I love the way it's looking at, cause looking through my camera on my lens on my video camera, it don't look nothing like this. But yeah, I'm here watching the niece and nephews. Getting kind of hungry too. My other nephew should be coming home off the bus in a little while. The way we just chilling. That wind kicking up, man. Knock the cushion off the couch. Knock the pot down. They said probably high winds like 65 and it's probably like 75 degrees now. It's 69 degrees at 2:05. So yeah. Man, look at that wind. Look at that tree. All the other trees bald, but that one. Look at that wind moving the daggone tricycles. Look at that. Daggone windstorm, boy.